Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can delete a ChatGPT chat. So first you need to open the sidebar right here. And you need to select the chat you want to delete. So if, for example, I want to delete this chat, I just need to tap on this trash icon and then tap on the check mark or the cross mark if I don't want to delete it, and the chat is deleted. You also can bulk delete all of your chats at once. You can do it by tapping on the three dots next to your name and then tap on clear conversations, or go to settings, data controls, and general, clear all chats, and clear right here. So this will clear all of your chats, but you also can do it manually just by selecting every single chat and delete it by tapping on the trash icon. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel because it means a lot and it helps the channel grow. So I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.